Hi, welcome back to my channel. I've gotten kind of ahead of myself and I was making my tea and I'm thinking, make a video, Sheila. So here it is. I am making iron-rich tea. I make my iron-rich tea with stinging nettle, was one of the ingredients. And stinging nettle is kind of past, but you might be able to find some leaves out there right now, but most of them have gone to flower. I just use a simple plastic container for measuring. I could get a proper one, but I don't have one. So I probably heap this container full of stinging nettle because I like most of that in my tea. And then I add chickweed. And chickweed is still growing and available right now. You'll find that in most of the gardens that are growing. And also plantain, and you'll find that's a prime right now for picking in your garden probably, or in your yard. Raspberry is in its prime right now. I pick a lot of that. I'm picking a lot of that right now. Bed straw is also available and is growing very well right now. I also use red flowering currant, and that one is past its season now. And so I kept mine dry. And also I use dandelion leaves in my iron-rich mixed tea. I don't have any more of that, but it is prime right now for dandelion leaves, and I'll pick that, dry it, and I'll add it later. So what I'm doing right now is just cutting it into tea. So you kind of want to cut it until it's like smaller leaves. And that's looking pretty good. I'll show you what that looks like. That's what it's looking like. Beautiful. And then put it into your jar. So when you're making this tea, you don't have to have all these ingredients. You can have a few of them and then just make your own tea. No stress. Just make your tea. And so when you're making your tea, you've gotten all your the tea ready. You can put a teaspoon into a cup to start. I always say start weak. And then if it's not strong enough, and then you can go up, add another teaspoon or half a teaspoon or whatever. I like a tablespoon now. I like mine strong, and you can add a lemon if you want. It has a lot of flavor on its own. Somehow I accidentally put mint in here, but I think it's a bonus. It actually smells amazing. And there is my iron-rich tea. I hope you enjoyed my video, and you can give a go with your iron-rich tea. Until next time. Bye.